COP27 summit strikes historic deal. A fraught UN climate summit yesterday wrapped up with a landmark deal on funding to help vulnerable countries cope with the devastating effects of global warming, but there was also anger over its failure to push further ambition on cutting emissions. The two-week talks in Egypt's Red Sea resort of Sharm el-Sheikh, which at times appeared to teeter on the brink of collapse, delivered a major breakthrough on a fund for climate loss and damage. Tired delegates applauded when the Loss and Damage Fund was adopted as the sun came up yesterday, following almost 2 extra days of negotiations that went round the clock. However, jubilation over that achievement was countered by stern warnings. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres said the UN climate talks had taken an important step towards justice with the Loss and Damage Fund, but fell short in pushing for the urgent carbon cutting needed to tackle global warming. Our planet is still in the emergency room, Guterres said. We need to drastically reduce emissions now. And this is an issue this COP did not address. A final COP27 statement covering the broad array of the world's efforts to grapple with a warming planet held the line on the aspirational goal of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial levels. It also included language on renewable energy for the first time, while reiterating previous calls to accelerate efforts towards the phase-down of unabated coal power and phase-out of inefficient fossil fuel subsidies. Vulnerable.
易受伤害的、易受影响的、易受攻击的、脆弱敏感的。
Cope with something.
对付、处理、解决某事。
Devastating.
毁灭性的、极具破坏力的、非常惊人的。
Emission.
排放物、释出物、排放、放出。
Breakthrough.
重大的进展、突破、成就。
Loss and damage.
损失与损害。
Delegate.
参加会议的代表。
Adopt.
接受、采纳、方法、意见、收养、领养、小孩。
Negotiation.
谈判、协商、磋商、洽谈。
Tackle.
处理、解决、进行、交涉。
Address.
对付、应付、处理、演说、致辞、给、写信、致函。
Grapple with something.
想办法解决，设法处理，尽力克服。
Renewable.
形容词，能源，可再生的，文件，可延长有效期限的。
Renewables.
名词，可再生源。
Reiterate.
再次地说，重申。
Accelerate.
加快速度，提前，促进。
Subsidy.
津贴、补贴、补助金。